So here is the new project, soft concrete. You see how many cracks here and some holes. And before start leveling, but here is need a lot because I already checked the laser level. If you see, here is the mark one, and there is another one right here. It should be right so much. So this is 0 point, and here is 0 point as well. This wood and 0 point to this floor. So because here is so many cracks, I want to mix self-leveling compound like paste, prime the floor, and then smoothly fill up all holes. And tomorrow I want to do leveling. So let's go. I forgot to tell you, this is the third floor, and very important to fill up all cracks to avoid leaks to lower level. To fill up cracks we can use Plani patch, and also we can use self-leveling compound. Self-leveling compound is gonna be more cheap because here is, you see how the big imperfection. That's why I'm using self-leveling compound. Floor is primed. You see, all green. Now I wanna start mixing. So water I put less than needed, and now I wanna make sour cream. This is what we need. Okay, I want to start from the door because easy get it out when it's dry first. Second bucket, yeah. If you remember, yesterday I did patch with self-leveling compound. I fill up whole cracks, whole gaps, and it's ready to do leveling. First of all, I have to grind this place because it's higher. I'll show you why. So here is the place, which is this place, even with because transmitter show water up, it's even with this floor. You see, here is just water up this line. So this floor and that point is even, but you see the green spots. These spots showed it's higher, so I have to grind it down. This side is too low. It's approximately, I need to fill up 3/4 inch this area, you see. So I already make marks. So by this point, so quarter-inch down, I have to fill up. And this is by this point, I have to fill up. Here is the inch, and then whole level going to the 0 up to here. So I want to make it even here, but here you see how much I need to fill up. 27 bags. Yesterday I used 3, so probably it's 25, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. So I just bring it more to do it in one shot. This it's quite big area, but it's a narrow hallway. How to do it in one shot? If you remember, I'm using tripods. So first of all, I wanna grind this hump. So let's go. You see how it's easy grinding with 4D laser level, which is showed you whole humps. Just when you remove this hump with grinder, it's disappear. You know, it's not showed like with green color. I really like this idea. Okay, I finished grinding. So you see, now just I wanna make skim coat to fill up some small deep spots, and this way I do the same. Also, I wanna tell you why I put first self-leveling compound and then start grinding, because this is concrete, it's really soft. So if you're doing without patched in this concrete, your grinder can just come down very fast, you know, and it's impossible to make this type of job. So just keep it in your mind. Next, what I want to do, I want to put foam and seal with caulk bottom of the foam around of the wall to protect leaking. So let's go.
In the next video I will show you how to make perfect concrete floor leveling fast and easy with sensational tools. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you in next video.